Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pattern called Diamond Tweed. This tweed stitch pattern creates little diamonds all over the fabric. Very interesting to do, a little bit more intricate than the last few patterns. Let's look at it. For this pattern, we're going to use our medium weight yarn number 4 and a 4mm crochet hook. Let's start off with a slip knot, and we're going to do an odd number of chains for foundation chain. I'm going to be doing 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The way that this works, you're going to be doing double crochet together. A double crochet in the 4th chain from hook, in the 4th back loop of my foundation chain, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And both this and this is considered to be double crochet together. Next, you're going to chain 1, yarn over into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through your stitch, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're not going to complete the double crochet yet. We need to do another one. Yarn over, we're going to skip this stitch, go into this one, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to close everything. We're going to yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And we continue. Chain 1, yarn over into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're not going to finish your double crochet. You're going to yarn over, you're going to skip this stitch, go to the next, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Chain, continue into the previous, yarn over, pull through, skip, go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Chain 1, yarn over into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to start our double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to stop that double crochet right there. Yarn over, and we're going to go into the next. We're going to skip this stitch, and we're going to go into that next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, then you start your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you're going to finish the double crochet together, yarn over through all 3 loops, and you continue like this till the end. And then once you've reached the last 2 stitches, you do the same thing. And once you reach the end, this is your row number 1. This is how it looks like. And next we're going to do row number 2. So we're going to start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Turn, and you're going to do a double crochet 2 together starting from the previous stitch. Now, since there's not really a previous stitch, you're going to go into this 3rd chain. So you've got your chain 1, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to go into that 3rd chain right here. and then yarn over, and you're going to go into, you're going to skip a stitch and go into this stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. And then you continue, chain, yarn over, and then into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. You don't finish your double crochet yet. Yarn over, skip a stitch into this next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through all 3 to close. Chain 1, yarn over into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, skip this stitch into this one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all 3. And you continue like this till the end. You'll need to skip this and go into the next chain. And this is your row number 2. This is how it looks like. The difficulty is to make sure that you do skip a chain here and you pick up the next one. This is the difficulty. And now we're going to do row number 3. To start your 3rd row, you're going to do 2 chains. You're going to turn and you're going to do a double crochet into the first double crochet together, which is this one right here. This is where your first double crochet together is. Next, you're going to chain 1. You're going to repeat what you did in the previous row. You're going to go into the previous stitch, yarn over, start your double crochet, don't finish it, yarn over, skip this stitch and go into the next. And then you repeat. Chain. And you start again your 2 double crochet together. Yarn over into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, you start your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you stop there, yarn over, skip this stitch, go into the next, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3, and then you chain and you continue. And once you've reached the end of your row, this is what you're going to be getting. I have an example here of several rows completed, and this is what you're going to be getting. But then again, this takes a lot of practice. Be patient. You can do this because this makes a very pretty pattern. This is something that you will enjoy making once you're used to it. I hope that you enjoyed learning to do this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.